Hi all, I just want to recap on a trade I executed on NQ. That was around 12:36 New York time. As we all know, NQ was trading at the all-time highs, and we swept the previous day high, followed by a displacement to the downside. So at this moment, I was only looking for a sell opportunity. I missed my entry, and then we tap into a 15-minute bullish fair value gap. However, I didn't want to participate in there because we have swept the strongest liquidity level. So I was just only looking for a sell at this moment, and I didn't want to risk, taking buy opportunities. So the 15-minute bullish fair value gap got respected, and then we traded into a 15-minute bearish fair value gap, I believe, which was aligning with the optimum trade level entry when it comes to the dealing range. Yeah, so which was aligning with the 0.62 level. So my setup obviously presented itself. We closed below the 1 minute bullish fair value gap, which created an inversion. However, because we had this, let me just remove this quickly. Because we had this last FVG, which was also aligning with the 50-minute bearish fair value gap, I was just a bit skeptical. So, I was thinking whilst I was in a trade, because at that time my trade got filled. So I quickly came out thinking probably it might tap into here before we have the drop to the downside, because we do have equal lows resting below this level, which is currently the draw on liquidity. So we do have my setup, and it's respecting really quite well. So what do I have to lose? If I lose, then that's fine. It's part of, you know, being a day trader. I went back in, and thankfully my trade got triggered. And yeah, within 3 minutes, we hit our target profit. And since then, the market has been just flashing down to the downside. I'm just glad that I trusted my setup and executed with precision. Such a beautiful trade. Yeah, so cheers, guys.